December 7th, 2012. Here we are again on YouTube, Mr. and Mrs. Food Lamp. We're trying a new place here in Hollywood, which opened just, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks ago, called called the Veggie Grill. It's all vegetarian, no meat. Today we're trying the cauliflower mashed potatoes. It's cauliflower and gravy. And we're trying the mac and cheese side. That's their mac and cheese. And Mr. Food Lamp is trying their chill out wings, or whatever they're called. Now this is all fake chicken. There's nothing real here, but these chicken strips are okay. You have a barbecue sauce and like a chipotle sauce, and this is okay. The cauliflower mash, how would you say they are, Mrs. Food Lamp? So-so? Just so-so, really. Probably wouldn't order them again. I don't know. And the mac and cheese, since they're not using real cheese, it looks good, but really no flavor at all for the sides. So for the mac and cheese and the cauliflower mashed potatoes, pretty bad. The chicken fingers here, once again, are okay. So the chicken meat is passable. And that's our review of the Veggie Grill here on December 7th, 2012. So unless we come back again, that's our review. If you come here and you're vegetarian, the meats seem pretty good. And the macaroni and cheese tastes like plastic, no flavor. Better retail you first. Mr. and Mrs. Food Lamp out in Hollywood.